In this video, we will show you how to disable BitLocker Drive Encryption. There are two methods to disable your BitLocker Drive Encryption. First, you can using Control Panel. Open your Control Panel in here. Select System and Security. You need to click by category in here to find this menu. And then select Manage BitLocker. You can see my BitLocker is enabled on C drive. We can turn off BitLocker by clicking this menu. Okay, we can click turn off BitLocker, but you can see there, this may take a long time, but you can keep using your PC during the decryption process. And the second method, we can using command prompt. In here, I already prepared the command. The first line is to check your BitLocker Drive encryption status. Okay, let's open command prompt in here. Type command prompt and select Run as Administrator by right-clicking. And click Yes. After that, you can type the first command. Manage BDA status like this. And you can hit the enter. You can see there, the BitLocker version is 2.0 and encryption method is already enabled. And to disable, you can just using the second command here, manage.bda space -off space your drive. In here, in our case, is C drive. We can copy this command. Then we can, okay, I will clear the command prompt. We can right click and manage-bda space -off space C drive. And you can hit the enter. Decryption is now in progress. You can still using your PC during the decryption. If you know BitLocker Drive Encryption as software, it can slower your PC performance, but it can save your PC from stealing your drive. And in the next video, I will show you how we can enable using hardware encryption that is faster than using BitLocker Drive Encryption as software. Hope this is helpful for you.